Hello, everybody. Wonderful body workers. Happy Thursday. You know what I wish I knew back when I was first starting out as a body worker? That less is more. And I know it may sound so simple, but the truth is, when I started embodying that and implementing that principle, the whole trajectory of my business and my life changed. Recently, I taught my Releasing the Rotator Cuff workshop at the Washington State AMTA conference, which was wonderful. And the next day, I was chatting with one of my students, and he kept going, "Oh, God, my subscap is so sore." And that upset me because I emphasize over and over again in my workshops that less is more. The tissue, muscles, my fascia responds more to kindness rather than bullying. But then I thought, I was a new massage therapist at first. And my paradigm at that point was, well, the deeper, the better, the harder, the better. I'll get better outcomes for my clients. And I push too hard and I work too hard. Can anybody relate to that? Oh, yeah. And so I had this aha moment. I was reading an article by the visionary body worker, occupational therapist, and dancer Bonnie Bainbridge Cohen, in which she talked about how the vestibular nerve is the first nerve to become active in the human fetus. Therefore, our first consciousness is that we are a moving being. Isn't that wonderful? So I started experimenting with gently pinning the tissue or the body part while I slowly rocked that part of the body, and noticed unexpected releases and insights into tissue psychology. It really was an aha moment. So how about you? What do you wish you had known first starting out as a massage therapist, body worker? Post it in the comments and have a beautiful and sweet day. Till next time.